Matthews acrylic polyurethane paints provide excellent chemical and weather protection for signage and architectural metals. Our industry standard products, color tools, and customer service makes Matthews Paint the system of choice in the sign industry. Did you know that Matthews Paint can also save you money compared to your current paint system, as well as lower labor costs for each sign? Matthews provides the lowest inventory needed in the sign industry, with just 16 toners to make any solid color and 6 optional metallic toners. Matthews Paint will lower the amount of inventory in your shop while also lowering reorder cost. Compared to other paint systems, Matthews Paint can save an average of $41 per gallon on all solid color toners and $25 per gallon on all metallic toners. Another way to look at lowering cost is with the mix ratio of Matthews Paint. Matthews Paint has a 3-1-1 mix ratio. The 3 indicates the amount or parts of paint needed in every mix. Compare that to other systems which require either 5 parts or 4 parts. You will save between 25 and 66% on every mix when using Matthews Paint. Labor cost will see a significant decline as well. With Matthews Paint, you will save money with longer pot life of the paint compared to competitive products. Faster dust-free times, allowing you to move signs in and out of the booth much faster. Faster tape times for signs with multiple colors. Faster dry times to allow vinyl application. Ready to start the savings today? Contact your Matthews Paint rep for a smooth, easy, zero-cost transition to Matthews Paint.